Morning, YouTubers. What's up? What we have here is a Rampage. It's not really karambit, but gives you a little loop you can hang on to. Got a little clip you can clip it to your belt or your pocket or your bag or whatever. It is sharp, by the way. Looks about like maybe a 2.5 inch blade, not counting the shank. It's over 9 inches overall. Pretty good knife. It's heavy. Takes a lot of abuse. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed it. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.